leaf, etc. Right? So one way to identify a herbivore is by looking at their teeth. Okay? You look at their teeth, it's very rounded, right? It's not sharp, so it's similar like us. So this will allow them to check on their food. Okay? Alright, now it's having their neck to be very long, it obviously has to be very heavy, right? No. Okay. Well, their nose is actually above their eyes and their forehead. Okay. The reason why is because since they eat a lot of leaf and from the trees, they do not want to breathe in too much oxygen because it wouldn't be good for them. So that's why their nose is a little bit above their eyes. Okay, now this dinosaur is called the Triceratops because of their three horns, okay? So tri means the number 3, cera is the horn, top is the face. So therefore Triceratops. Okay, now if you look at the figure of a Triceratops, it's very short and they are chubby. Alright, so this means that it's very difficult for them to run faster than other dinosaurs. Okay? So they use their horns here to protect themselves. They use it to poke other predators that comes near to them. Alright? And their frill over here, which I like to call it as the crown, their crown is used to protect their necks from getting bitten. Okay? Now if you look over here, their mouth is a big shape, right? Very unique. Okay? So these are used to pull out the roots from the ground. Therefore, they are herbivores, okay? They eat vegetables, insects, things like that. Alright, and when the food is in their mouth, later on you can try to touch inside their mouth. There's 2 or 3 teeth which are also called as molars, so that they don't choke on their food. Okay? Alright, before you can touch the baby, right? It's very cute. Okay? But you just have to know that the parents are very protective of their baby. Okay? And there's an egg also, right? You can hold it, but don't be aggressive with it, okay? Alright, you can touch it now. You have to at least try to touch the baby. Or hold the egg a little bit. Okay, so this is the Pteranodon. They can grow up to 1.8 meters in height and they weigh 50 kilograms. Alright, now over here, this is called the wings, okay? So their wingspan can go up to 6 meters and this makes them able to fly faster than a racing car. Okay, so they fly really fast. So this pteranodon actually has a cousin which is a pterodactyl. Okay, so the pterodactyl has teeth and this pteranodon does not have teeth. Alright, so therefore what do you think this dinosaur eats? What do you think this dinosaur eats? Okay, he doesn't bite you. Can you try to touch it? Open it? You know. See, it's very nice, right? Okay, so we have to pull the cart towards us first. So you want to pull first? You pull? There's no dinosaur inside this cart. Let's pull together, okay?
Why don't you come down so that you can go straight in? No.
Okay, now you're right. Let it go now. Okay, this will be the rope. You pull. Just watch out for it down there. this is, what does it look like to you? Does it like a bat? Okay, but let me tell you, this is actually a sloth, okay? It's a giant brown sloth, also known as the MEGATHERIUM. Okay? So these are not dinosaurs, okay? They are very friendly mammals like us, okay? So you can touch this one doesn't bite you because they are herbivores. Alright, so you can tell from their flat shape, alright, that they are herbivores. So they don't eat meat, they eat vegetables, plants, and insects. Okay? So they will find food by digging into the ground with their really long nails. Okay? And they also use these nails to make caves. That's why we're in a cave right now. Okay? Now you look at how they are crawling. See, they are crawling this way. Right? They're crawling on the back of their palms, right? And that's because their palms are very, very fragile. Okay, that means that even the slightest cut on their palms, they will lose a lot of blood and die. Okay, so they're really, this is a very pure animal. Okay, also fun fact, alright, this this sloth actually went extinct quite recent, which is 10,000 years ago. Okay, and that's very friendly animal. So we're going into the cave, so we have to watch out for the cave. Alright, and does this Dilophosaurus look like a lizard to you? It does, right? Because it's part of the family of the lizard. Okay, also called as a two-factor lizard because of the two hairs on top of its head. Okay, now if you look at the teeth, it's really sharp. And what do you think they eat? You think they eat meat? Yes, right? So therefore they are a carnivore dinosaur. Okay? Alright, other than eating meat, they also eat other predators. Okay, and they have these sharp but short nails to scratch other dinosaurs as well. Okay, now if you look over here, they have this really unique thing. Alright, over here is called the frills. Okay, so these frills are used to make themselves look scarier, look bigger to scare off other predators. And also to protect them from getting bitten by other dinosaurs. Okay? Now, have you watched the Jurassic Park movie? You did? Okay. Well, in one scene, I don't know if you've seen this scene before. It shows that this Dilophosaurus actually spits out poison. You think that's true? You think that they actually spit out poison? Okay. Well, in reality, they actually do not spit out poison. Okay? So, that's just a misinterpretation in the movie. Okay? Alright, now my point is done here. You want to try touching the dinosaur? You don't want it. Okay? Now you guys can cross the stepping stones. If not, you can walk at a safe pace. Does it look familiar to you? Does it look familiar to you? Okay, if actually looks like a crocodile, don't you think so? Yeah. Okay, so this is a very long ancestor of the crocodile known as the DINOSUCHUS. Okay, so this DINOSUCHUS is an apex predator, most ferocious dinosaur in the river, so therefore they are the king of the river. Okay? So as the king of the river, they are obviously a carnivorous dinosaur, right? How do you think they hunt for food? They eat fish. Okay, well actually they do eat fish, but they also eat other dinosaurs. So therefore they'll hide under the water, and when the prey comes close, they'll hit them with their really strong Okay, so this is called the Velociraptors, okay? And there's a lot of them here because they come in pairs. Alright? And that's because they are also thieves. They are scavengers who likes to steal other dinosaur eggs. Okay? Alright. Looking at their size, they are really small compared to the dinosaurs we've seen so far. But they have this running and really high jumping ability to allow them to steal other dinosaur eggs. So they can run as fast as a cheetah, and also they can jump as high as this ceiling over here, which makes them capable to take down even a T-Rex. Okay? They will use their really sharp teeth and their long nails to scratch and bite the T-Rex. Okay? Alright. Now, other than being athletic, they are also very smart. And they have a common language which they like to share. They like to communicate with others so that the other dinosaurs won't know what they are talking about. Okay, since they are teeth. Okay? Alright. Okay, now this is called the T-Rex. Do you know the T-Rex? Yeah, so this T-Rex is the king of the land. And the reason why they are called the king of the land is because of their really smart and large brain, which is the size of a banana. Alright, and they are really smart. Okay, so this banana-sized brain they have is twice as big compared to other carnivorous dinosaurs. Alright. Now speaking of banana, each teeth that they have over here is also the size of a banana. Alright, so this makes them capable to eat 100 kilograms of meat at once. So they are probably capable to eat all of us here, okay? Now looking at their posture, right, they are a forward-leaning dinosaur. So they have a tail at the back to stabilize themselves. So sort of look like a seesaw, okay? So they have equal weight along their body. And their legs over there are really huge. Okay, if you come closer, you can see their legs have a lot of muscles. Okay, so these muscles in their legs allow them to run even faster than a velociraptor. Okay, and then their hands is really cute, right? There's just two fingers over there, very short. Alright. So the scientists actually don't know why they are built that way, but they assume that it is to something to do with the okay? Now if you look at this dinosaur and this dinosaur, these two T-Rex, which one do you think is the female? Which one do you think is the male? Which one is the female and the male? Which one do you think? This one is the female? But why is this the female? Why do you think so? This one is smaller. Okay, well in the T-Rex world, the female is actually this one. Okay, so the female is known to be larger than the male because they need to accommodate space for their eggs. They are large eggs for their babies. Okay, therefore they are larger. And also, the female are also a bit more denser than the male because they are also babies and they will go out of their way to hunt the other dinosaurs to eat in their nearby surroundings.